Change up your half updos with this unique hairstick technique. Start by separating your top section of hair, then wrap the hair up and around the hairstick. Rotate the hairstick a full 180 degrees. Holding in place, use your fingers to find the loop you have just created. Then flip the hairstick, grabbing some of the scalp hair, and as you flip the hairstick, it will lay the hair out into a bun and create a space in the middle. Gently push the hairstick through the middle and use your fingers, which you use to anchor the loop, to ease the hairstick up and over the hair, securing everything in place. Depending on your length and preferred style, you can leave the ends out or twist them together and tuck under the bun and secure with a magic grip hairpin. An elegant way to use a hairstick to elevate a simple half updo.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.